Introducing the 2005 Chevrolet Avalanche. If you're looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. With a powerful 8-cylinder engine that responds smoothly to its automatic transmission, premium wheels give a more luxurious look. Anti-lock brakes help you bring your vehicle to a safe stop. Tailor the temperature to your preference and your passengers. If safety is a high priority, rest assured knowing that these top safety components are included. Stability control, daytime running lights. Our website offers more information on all of our vehicles. Call us today to start test driving.